Step into the 2006 Hummer H3. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS, daytime running lights, leather seats, power outlet, power mirror, passenger vanity mirror, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, fog lamps, and traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.